$100. I've said this a million freaking times, and we've made close to $20,000. Don't get wrapped up into following all these gurus who basically all tell you the same freaking thing. It's a great affiliate program. Just with this one product, guys, I make anywhere from $1,300 to $2,000 a month. $2,000 a month. What is up, my cash cow family? I've talked about this affiliate program for years now, but if I was getting into the affiliate marketing game, you guys know that I only promote stuff that I use, but Kartra's affiliate program, in my opinion, is off-chain good. And I have been a super affiliate or whatever in the top 10 of their affiliate marketing like leaderboard, along with Liam James K. Actually, he's the one who got me started promoting Kartra, which was about 2.5 years ago. And we've made close to $20,000 with it. Anyway, guys, it's a great affiliate program for you guys to get involved with. And again, as always, a link in the description below and the first link in the pinned comment. I don't know what their questionnaire is as far as getting accepted into the program. None of these affiliate programs are ever easy to get involved with, but you guys have to try. If you don't get accepted with Kartra, go on to the next program, go on to Builderall, go on to any kind of recurring commission software-based product that these people need to use every single month. Let me just show you what I've made. And I don't show this to you guys to make anyone jealous or pat myself on the back or whatever, because that's not what this channel is about. I'm very transparent, guys, and I only want you guys to succeed. And with affiliate marketing, guys, it's a marathon. I've said this a million freaking times. It's not a sprint. It takes time. So if I get one sale on Kartra today, I'm not going to get paid on that for 45 to 60 days. But if you continually do what I'm saying here, you can consistently make a great amount of money. Just with this one product, guys, I make anywhere from $1,300 to $2,000 a month. And I don't even promote it that much. This all comes from past efforts. So almost $20,000, guys, since promoting this. I started promoting it in May of 2021, I think it was. But right now, this is what is due to me. So a lot of this money in the reserve column, because this is money that's being held, that's either new sales or someone hasn't been involved for 30 days, what have you. Guys, that's almost $1,900 due to me on the 15th of next month. It's taken me nothing, I mean, not nothing, but if I was to go on my ads account and show you what I've spent to generate that, you'd be quite shocked. I would say I've maybe spent $800 on ads promoting Kartra. So yeah, it's good to be the cash cow, isn't it? Anyway, guys, what I was going to show you is creating an ad. I'm inside the ad group, and I'm going to click on keywords. And then up top here, guys, what you want to do is go up here to search terms and see what people are typing in. Active campaign versus Kartra. Become a Kartra affiliate. Can I create my website in Kartra? This is what people have searched for. So there's been over almost 300 search terms that people have put in. But look at this. This is a great one. Kartra sign up. So you can add it as a negative keyword or as a keyword. So we'll add it as a keyword. And I always like phrase match. Don't do broad match, either do phrase or exact. Then you would just click apply. That's how you find that stuff, guys. Negative keywords, I have cancel in there. Why do I have that as a negative keyword? Because someone could type in how to cancel my Kartra account. We're not trying to get people who are trying to cancel their account. We're not looking for people who are a free trial, because it's not a free trial. Live chat just means somebody's typing in Kartra live chat. That means they're already signed up and using Kartra. Same thing with these login negative keywords. You don't want someone going on your ad and typing in Kartra login or Kartra phone or Kartra support. These are just negative keywords that I use. Just know that you can do anything that you want, but please don't get wrapped up into following all these gurus who basically all tell you the same freaking thing. They never show you the real numbers of what they're making in profit, which really irritates me. I'm your guy, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Peace, guys.